Welcome back to my slow English podcast, where I speak slowly and clearly for you to improve your English. Today, I want to answer a very interesting question. Will AI replace English teachers? Will AI replace me? My answer to this is definitely not. And don't get me wrong, I am actually a pro AI person. I think AI is fantastic. But as a tool, as an extra, it can't be the main thing. I just think that AI can't replace a great English teacher like me. So, as I just mentioned, I think AI is fantastic. But AI is a tool. It's an incredible tool. It can help you in so many ways. I use it every single day. I'm not going to lie to you. For example, I use it for cooking. I even use it to ask for ideas for English content. I use it to help me with my taxes. I even look up stuff to know what's best for my doggy. So AI is like my vet, basically. And those are just some examples. As I just said, I use it a lot. But when we talk about AI as your English teacher, I just think it's not good enough. Me, as an English content creator, I've worked with really good language learning platforms. I've worked and done some collaborations with different apps, and some of them were extremely good. I was actually shocked when I used some of those apps to film my ad. I was actually thinking, should I be doing this? This app is going to take my job away from me. And yes, they are really, really efficient. But I don't think it's enough to learn a language. And I'm going to explain why. My opinion is that language learning platforms are great to maybe revise or practice in your spare time, but they cannot be your teacher. A teacher is irreplaceable, mostly English teachers. Language learning is human. At the end of the day, we learn languages to communicate with other people. That is the whole point of learning a language. You need real conversations with real people. I also think that personality is really important. Think about your favorite teacher when you were a child. I'm sure that you remember them for who they were, not just for what they taught. Something else that is crucial is motivation. Learning a new language isn't always easy. Sometimes you feel stuck, and that is when a great teacher makes a big difference. A real teacher can understand how to motivate you. Something else that's on my mind is culture. Only a real teacher can bring culture into a classroom. Language is also about humor, expressions, and the way people really speak in that country. As years go by, people are getting sick and tired of artificial intelligence. Like, who wants to learn a language with a bot? I think that nobody. It just doesn't feel real. However, this doesn't mean that teachers should ignore AI. The best teachers will probably use AI every day. AI can make an English teacher even better. So, what's my final opinion? As AI becomes more common, people will really value human connection. So that's why I think that an English teacher, a good English teacher, is irreplaceable. The future isn't AI instead of teachers. The future is AI and teachers working together. But that is just my opinion. What do you think? Maybe you have learned a language on an app and you think it's much better than learning a language with an English teacher or whatever the language may be. Let me know in the comments.